Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start Toyota Avalon with key. Begin by sitting comfortably with the key ready and the gear in park, then grasp the key firmly. Turn the key to the first position to power accessories, wait a second for gauges to light, then turn fully to start. If the engine does not crank, try a firm, steady turn and avoid rapid jerking motions while troubleshooting gently. Position the key straight and insert it fully into the ignition without forcing it. Give a brief pause at the accessory position so fuel and electronics initialize. Then turn smoothly to start and release as the engine catches, letting the key return to on. If it resists, stop and verify gear and parking brake. Never force the key to avoid damage. A calm, steady motion usually gets the Avalon running. If the Avalon won't start, first confirm battery strength and that the key fits snugly. A single click usually means low battery or starter issues. Multiple clicks point to a weak battery. If the steering lock is engaged, gently turn the wheel while turning the key to free it. For persistent no-crank conditions, try a backup key or call roadside assistance to avoid causing more harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.